Hey guys, gonna show you what I got real quick. I'm gonna make this a really quick haul because I basically just got stuff because my son, yay, is coming home this weekend. We're having a family get together because my niece will be in town and the baby and all that stuff. So we're gonna all get together. So he'll be here, but he wanted some snacks and stuff like that to be able to take back to college and some other things that he needed. So I went on and just made a quick order because I actually have to make 2 items, 2 for our get together for the family. So we're gonna try to have Thanksgiving a little bit early since she's gonna be home. So because I was getting that stuff, I said, well, let me go ahead and just get his stuff too. Yes, I know I probably could have got it somewhere cheaper and everything, but I just did it all in one shot. So I didn't get a lot of stuff. I just got some stuff that AJ had requested, as well as little items that I needed, like I was saying. So I bought some hefty Ziploc bags that I needed. I got quart size as well as gallon size. Got some Stouffer's Salisbury steak. I have those on hand for my husband to pull out of the freezer real quick if he's working from here and don't have time to really make him anything. He just pops those in, whatever. So I just picked up a few of those. Also picked up some bounce sheets for AJ because he needed that for school, as well as some laundry pods. So he'll be taking those back to school. Got some detergent just for us here. I also bought some Land O'Lakes butter because I needed that. Got some sour cream. So I said that we were going to have dinner when they get here. I am going to be making sweet potatoes. And I got some dark brown sugar. If y'all are not using dark brown sugar for your sweet potatoes, I don't know what you're doing. So got dark brown sugar for that. Also, we'll have some put butter in that. Of course, got the creamer that we like because we ran out. Got lotion for Avery. He likes the Vaseline lotion. Also got vanilla for the sweet potatoes, guys. Okay, those are a few ingredients. Picked up some microwavable macaroni and cheese. I'm sure y'all know who that's for college. These are the snacks he wanted. Some fruit snacks. He wanted some Pop-Tarts, which he don't need. But hey, he asked, so got him some granola bars. And then he also needed some body wash. So I just went on and got him the Suave Cocoa Butter and Shea Body Wash because he liked it. It worked for him before. I also got him the Ocean Breeze, and it's inexpensive. Last time that I did a haul, last time I did a vlog, I think I was telling you that I purchased some St. Ives shower gels because it was on the fetch that I was telling you guys about to get extra points. And we got the oatmeal and shea one, and we really liked it. So I went on and picked up another one, and then I also picked up the pink lemon and mandarin orange. So I want to try that one. I think they're pretty good for the price. They're only like $3 and something, so why not? Also picked up some whole kernel corn. Got 4 cans because I am also going to be making a corn casserole, and that is what the sour cream is for, as well as the butter. So yeah, also got some just detergent to wash dishes. Got some Cheez-It snacks for AJ to take back to school. Got some Skinny Pop for me. This time I got the variety snack pack. Yeah, they're little bags, but they help me to not eat too much. And I wanted to try the white cheddar. Someone said the white cheddar was really good, so I wanted to try it. And then I got AJ popcorn because he loves popcorn. And we got a free. Don't mind those boxes. That stuff. Old boxes that I'm saving for when I have to mail stuff to people. So, and I got a free Target gift card. So guys, that's pretty much it. Oh, and then I got a bag of ice as well. So yeah, that's basically it for this order of the things that were in stock that I needed. So yeah, that's it. So it's morning. I'm gonna put this stuff away, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get myself together. Under this bonnet is a wash and go that I need to fluff out and finish filming. So you guys will see that in a regular video. If I get back on today, you'll probably see it later today, but we'll see. All right. Ooh, it's bright, honey. Out walking the neighborhood, trying to get our steps in. this is my encouragement to you to get moving in some aspect today. Move those joints. Say, move those joints.
Move those joints.
Come on. Anyway.
Come on, there's dogs. There's our...
Don't say nothing. Anyway, we left Cotton at the house so he wouldn't slow us down.
Be quiet.
Catch up with y'all later. Good morning, good morning, good morning, sun rays. It is morning and I'm looking a hot mess. Yes, I am. But I am getting ready to cook, so I'm not going to pull my hair down or anything like that until I get done. I don't want hair in the food. But I think I told you in a previous vlog when I did a short grocery haul that the family was getting together and AJ's coming home, and so I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the right place. AJ's coming home and we're all getting together for a family dinner. My niece is in from out of town with her husband, her baby, blah 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 blah. So with that being said, I need to cook this morning, but I wake up to snow. Guys, we wake up to snow. It is November what, 12th, I think, and it's snowing. Let me show you. Yeah, so it's snowing. So I am getting ready to make sweet potatoes and a corn casserole to take to the family gathering. Other people are bringing other things, and I think I'm going to make some type of cucumber salad as well, cucumber tomato salad. I got the idea from Kimberly Sherrill. It's kind of a Mediterranean type salad, she said. So I'm gonna try to make that. Oh goodness, there's Cotton. I'm gonna try to make that. I'm gonna make it probably a little differently than she did, but I think I'm gonna make that too, just to take it, just to have, hush Cotty, hush, I'm trying to film. Just to have something cool. So yeah, just wanted to come on and say good morning and let you know what's on the agenda for today. So I'm doing that. Then of course we're gonna go axe throwing. I keep looking over here. I need to look at the camera. I'm on my phone, so it's a little bit different. But anyway, we're getting ready to go. We're going to go axe throwing as well. And then we're going to have the family dinner after that. So a lot on the agenda. Oh, and I also told my son I'll make him a pot of chili to take back with him. So I got to do that too. So a lot of going on today, but I wanted to just check in and say good morning. And I'm going to get my day started and I'll check in with you guys later.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag.
Get my hat.
Hey.
Hello.
Right, exactly.
Is this one of you, everybody?
Ooh, AJ threw that as hard as he could, didn't he?
Throw.
3, 2, 1, throw. Okay, so we made it back home from the axe throwing. Sorry I didn't get us leaving there, but we had a good time. Now we're headed to my family's house for dinner. So I'll try to get some footage over there, but I don't know if I will or not. But the snow is still on the ground. Cotton's using it. The snow is still on the ground. So yeah. Anyway, we're going to celebrate AJ's birthday today since he's home. But yeah, we got to get over there. We're supposed to be over there by 5 and it's 4:45. So I'll catch up with y'all later. See you later, alligator. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear AJ. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Make a wish.
To Jesus be true.
Oh my goodness.
Let's.
Yay!
Hey, did you guys get that one? Baby, what you saying? Jameson needs you.
Look at
Come on, baby.
Julian like, let's go.
All right, here we go.
Happy birthday to you. To Jesus be true. God bless you and keep you the whole year through.
Okay.
The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Proverbs 1:7. Having you for a grandson has been such a gift for all you've been, for all you are, and for all you're yet to be. We love so very much. Happy birthday. Your love, our Papa on Green. Thank y'all.
God around him with his belief in him.
All right, let's go.
So, where did you get it from?
A place called
You
Paxson.
cut another piece.
Like in the mall and stuff.
Those shoes. That place is whenever I'm in the mall, but I never could find those.
Okay, yeah, cut it in half. There you go. Cause that cake is rich.
Oh yeah, Aldo.
Guys, y'all know how I am with my vlogging, so I am very sorry. But I did not get the spread at my parents' house. I did get a little bit of us singing happy birthday to AJ and him blowing out the candle on the cake that my sister made him. She ended up making him a big chocolate cake, which he loves. But I didn't get any of the food. And then I said, well, I'll show the food on my plate. After, I make my plate to bring home. Forgot to do that. So anyway, and now the stuff is in the refrigerator. So I apologize, but we had a lot of good food. We had ribs that my dad made on the grill. He makes the best ribs. We had fried chicken. We had macaroni and cheese that was the bomb. We had my corn casserole, sweet potatoes. We had greens and green beans. We also had the salad I said I was going to make with the tomatoes and cucumbers. It's kind of Mediterranean salad. Got it from Kimberly Sherrill. I'll try to put a link to her video, her vlog, where I saw her make it. So we had that. We had, my sister made a homemade carrot cake. She made the homemade chocolate cake. We also had cherry pie. Oh, we had ice cream. Oh, AJ forgot his ice cream. My parents bought him ice cream and he forgot it. Sorry guys, in the pantry. What else did we have? It seemed like I'm forgetting something. Oh, we had rolls. Oh, potato salad. I was going to say, I know we missing something. We had some potato salad that my aunt made. The one that I said can burn. It was good. So we had a really good dinner, really good meal. And of course we had our kind of drinks. So I'm tired. We just made it home. And now Avery and AJ are outside trying to fix the car. The windshield wiper flew off when AJ was on his way over here. So anyway, so they're out there trying to do that so he can go head back to school. Now, it's 10 o'clock in the evening. Still snow and ice out, and he's trying to go back to school. Try to talk him into staying overnight, but he has meetings, early morning weights, and something else for football. So he said it's easier if he just go tonight, so he don't have to try to wake up early enough to drive back so he doesn't be late, which I get, but I would have loved to have him spend the night. And so I told him to text me when he get back, but they're out there doing that now. Hopefully they'll get it fixed quickly and he can go ahead and get on the road. Wanted to put up the tree tonight with him, or today, but we ended up sitting over there later than we anticipated, so we didn't get a chance to get that done. So I thought they were pulling his car in to work on it, but I guess they're working on it out there. So we didn't get that done, and yeah, I'm tired, so I am ready to get in the bed. And guys, can y'all see how shrunken up my hair has gotten because of the weather? So, hey, Cotty. We didn't take Cotty with us. We usually do, but we didn't take him with us this time. I got to see my... Uh-oh, sorry, guys. I'm just looking at them out there. Got to see my nephew, my great-nephew, Julian from North Carolina. You guys have seen him before when he was just a baby. And then when not too long ago on a vlog where he was at my sister's house trying to drive the car. And then I also got to see my other great nephew, Jameson, who's still a hunker, and I haven't got him on camera yet. He may be in me zooming back and forth in a vlog, but I'm not sure if you saw his face, just because he's so young. So I haven't gotten him yet. But yeah, they're both precious, so we got to hang out with them. So that was fun. Y'all done? Oh. Okay. Yeah, he is gonna pull his car in. I was gonna say they need to pull in so they can be a little warmer and be in the light. But anyway, guys, that's enough. Y'all tired of seeing me talk. Sorry I didn't get more food and stuff like that, but hopefully I got enough of the day to let y'all know we had a good time. And it's still snow on the ground. Let me let y'all see. And there's AJ in his car. Come on in here. Whew, but yeah, so the snow is still on the ground and it is freezing out there. So anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.